Hey everyone, Hope Hughes here with Colorado Home Realty. Today I'm bringing you an overview of what happened in the 2020 Denver real estate market and some projections for 2021 based on our team's research and analysis. 2020 was a year like no other. We saw unprecedented movement in the Denver real estate market as families adapted to working and learning from home. As work environments shifted, we began to see folks move from cities to smaller towns and communities. And because of this, we saw more golfing, camping, biking, and walking as people's habits shift to take advantage of everything our beautiful state has to offer. Whether or not this migration continues in 2021, we expect the appreciation trend to continue. How much appreciation is a debated topic, but experts are estimating 4 to 12% nationwide. This growth in the Denver market will be no surprise to most of you, and yet there are important data points to understand that will influence the year to come and possibly your decision to remain in your current home or make a change. The short version is that while Denver was not immune to the turbulence of 2020, real estate remained incredibly strong. The residential market appreciated by 9% this last year, coming in slightly above the last 5-year average. The sold price of a single-family home appreciated the last 6 months of the year and was up as much as 18% year over year in October, hitting an all-time high of $614,000. For homeowners who purchased prior to 2020, they may have seen an average of $100,000 of mostly tax-free wealth creation. At the end of December 2020, there were only 24 homes available for sale, and only 1,200 of those were single-family homes. You may have heard that we have low inventory because folks aren't selling, but this just isn't true. The issue is a significant increase in the number of buyers rather than a decline in the number of sellers. We ended 2020 with a 7% increase in the number of homes sold and a 2% increase in the number of homes listed compared to the last 3-year average. 4 factors in particular affected demand over the last year. The first was a population increase. While many cities around the country saw population declines, the Denver metro area saw a modest population growth. The second was due to flexible work environments. Many people were asked to work from home and they found they didn't miss the commute. The third was brought on by virtual school for our kiddos. Whether wanting space away from each other or needing more flexibility in their homes, many households made changes motivated by these needs. And the fourth we owe to interest rates that made high-priced homes more affordable for the average consumer, driving demand even higher. For example, take a buyer who can afford a $480,000 home at a 4.5% interest rate. That same buyer could raise their purchase price to $600,000 and have the same payment when they're able to secure a 2.5% interest rate. So the 2020 Metro Denver real estate market saw record home sales, a competitive market with many buyers facing multiple offer situations, increased demand fueled by household changes and low interest rates, and significant appreciation in home value. So what does this mean for 2021? Our best prediction is that interest rates remain low. Some economists think interest rates could drop below 2% for a 30-year fixed loan. If interest rates remain low, demand will remain very high. And we are starting off 2021 with incredibly low inventory. The combination of high demand and low inventory means potential double-digit home value appreciation. Economists anticipate home values to increase by 5 to 7% nationwide. The Denver market is poised to be at least as strong, if not stronger than the national average. In summary, low inventory and high demand means significant continued appreciation for 2021. So now you might be wondering, what does this mean for me? If you own your own home and are not needing to move, I suggest you explore the opportunity to either refinance or use your equity to purchase an investment property. Don't miss the opportunity to leverage current low interest rates to increase your wealth. Call me. I'm happy to review your options with you and connect you with the right lender. If you're thinking about selling, don't get caught up in what the Denver market has done or might do. I'll analyze what's happening in your neighborhood and we can sit down together and take a look at your wants, needs, and goals to determine if now is the right time for you to be buying or selling. Remember, regardless of the strength of the market, effective home preparation makes all the difference in maximizing your sale. And if you're buying, you'll want to be pre-approved for your loan before you start looking to be competitive in our current market. Let's talk and I can walk you through these steps. For those of you who are homeowners, I am constantly monitoring the market conditions and analyzing your home's value. Keep an eye out for your HomeBot Value Digest that I send out to you monthly. And if you're not currently receiving this and would like to, just reach out to me and I'll get you set up. I wish you all a healthy, happy, and prosperous 2021. Let me know how I can help you make the best of this new year.